In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover password in Google Admin Console. If you're locked out of your Google Workspace admin account, don't worry, there's a clear path back in. I'll guide you through the official recovery routes and share practical tips to make the process smoother. Start by opening your browser and going to Google's homepage. In the search box, type Google Admin Console Account Recovery. This query takes you straight to Google's official guidance, which is the safest and most up-to-date source. In the results, click the article titled Recovering Administrator Access to Your Account. This support page summarizes all the recovery choices and links you to the right flows based on your situation. On that page, the first route is for admins who previously set up recovery information. If you added a recovery email or phone, use the standard recovery prompts. If you simply forgot your password, go to the admin console sign-in page and choose the Forgot Password option. Google will send a verification code or prompt to your recovery email or phone. Enter the code when asked and you'll be able to reset your password. If you don't see the message, double-check spam and filters and make sure your device has a stable connection so you can receive calls, texts, or prompts. If you can't remember the email address used to sign in, choose the Forgot Email option on the same page. You'll be asked for a recovery phone or secondary email you set earlier. Providing your organization's domain can also help Google identify the right account. Follow the on-screen questions carefully and answer them as accurately as possible. There are cases where recovery options might not appear. That can happen if recovery details were never added, an earlier admin created the account without them, or your organization's security settings limit those features. If that sounds like your situation, don't worry. There's a second route. If you did not set up email or phone recovery, use support-assisted recovery from the same support article. This process guides you through verifying that you're the legitimate administrator. You'll confirm details about your organization and domain and then receive instructions to regain access. Be patient and thorough. Providing accurate information helps speed things up. When you're back in, take a moment to add or update your recovery email and phone, enable two-step verification, and make sure another trusted user has super admin privileges as a backup. These small updates can prevent future lockouts and keep your organization running smoothly.